Most bird species are slow to change their tune, preferring to stick with tried and true songs to defend territories and attract females. But something unusual has happened with the white-throated sparrow in Canada. Over the last 2 decades, a rare sparrow song has gone viral, traveling over 3,000 kilometers, approximately 1,864 miles, and completely replacing a historic song ending. The findings were published on July 2 in Current Biology. Researchers report that sparrows from British Columbia to central Ontario have ditched the traditional 3-note ending song. Instead, they've embraced a unique 2-note ending variant. The reason behind this shift remains a mystery. Senior author Ken Otter, a biology professor at the University of Northern British Columbia, says, "As far as we know, it's unprecedented. The spread of this new song through cultural evolution is unlike anything seen before in bird species, where song changes usually stay local and form regional dialects." The story of the 2-note ending began in the 1960s, when white-throated sparrows across Canada whistled songs that ended with a 3-note triplet. But by the late 1990s, when Otter moved to Western Canada, he noticed that the new 2-note ending had already made its way into the local sparrow populations. "When I first moved to Prince George in British Columbia, they were singing something atypical from what was the classic white-throated sparrow song across all of eastern Canada," Otter recalls. Over the years, this new song became universal west of the Rocky Mountains. To track the spread of this doublet-ending song, Otter and his team turned to a vast network of citizen scientists. These bird enthusiasts had uploaded countless recordings of sparrow songs to online databases. The team found that the song's popularity was not confined to the West, it was spreading rapidly across Canada. In 2004, the dialect boundary stopped about halfway through Alberta, Otter says. By 2014, every bird we recorded in Alberta was singing this Western dialect, and it was showing up in populations as far away as Ontario, 3,000 kilometers from us. Researchers suspected the birds' overwintering grounds played a role in this rapid spread. Birds sing on the wintering grounds, so juvenile males may learn new song types if they overwinter with birds from other dialect areas, Otter explains. This interaction might allow males to learn new songs in winter and introduce them to new locations during the breeding season. To test this theory, the team equipped sparrows with geolocators, tiny backpacks, to track their movements. The data confirmed that western sparrows with the new song did share overwintering grounds with eastern populations. This shared space seemed to facilitate the spread of the 2-note song, replacing the historic 3-note ending that had lasted for decades. Such a change is nearly unheard of among male songbirds. Although the new song doesn't give male sparrows a clear territorial advantage, the researchers still want to know if female sparrows have a preference. In many previous studies, females tend to prefer whatever the local song type is, Otter says. But we might find that white-throated sparrow females are drawn to songs that aren't typical in their environment. If that's true, any male who can sing a new song type could have a big advantage. Adding to the intrigue, another new song has appeared in a western sparrow population. Its early spread may mirror that of the doublet note ending. Otter and his team are eager to track this new development with the continued help of citizen scientists. By having all these people contribute their private recordings made during birdwatching, we're getting a much more complete picture of what's happening across the continent, Otter says. It's allowing us to do research that was never possible before.